If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Welcome to our digital time machine. Tkinter will be our vessel as we navigate through the ancient art of cryptography. These tools from Tkinter are our secret scrolls, allowing us to interact and communicate with the user. Here lies the heart of our operation, the legendary Caesar Cipher, reborn in Python. A clean slate, ready to be inscribed with our encoded or decoded message. For each character in our message, a journey begins. We only whisper secrets to letters, leaving numbers and symbols unchanged. A forward leap for encryption, a step back for decryption. We nudge each letter along the alphabet, a gentle push determined by our shift. For uppercase generals, we ensure they stay within their ranks. Lowercase soldiers follow suit, marching within the bounds of their territory. Non-letters pass through unchanged, silent witnesses to our encryption. The transformed message, a secret now whispered or revealed. A call to arms, inviting the user to cloak their message in secrecy. Only with a message and a shift can our magic work. With a whisper and a wave, the message cloaks itself in mystery. A new secret is born, ready to be shared in the shadows. An invitation to unveil secrets, to bring light to whispers of the past. A message and a shift, the keys to unlocking hidden truths. The cloak falls away, revealing the message in its naked truth. Once hidden, now revealed, the message stands clear and free. Setting the stage for our cryptographic adventure. We name our vessel, Caesar Cipher, a tribute to its ancient origins. An encrypt button, the keeper of secrets. A decrypt button, the revealer of truths. And with that, our vessel sets sail, on a mission. Now we run the program, and here is the result. It's fascinating to see how the code transforms into a functional tool. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and share. Your support is greatly appreciated. And if you're in need of expert consulting for your projects, be sure to visit eprogrammer.com. We have a team of professionals ready to help you tackle your toughest challenges. Thank you for watching, and remember, your engagement helps us create more useful content for you.